आता खबरो विस्तारान. नुस्तें हें गोंयचें मुखेल जेवण. अशें आसतना नुस्त्यांत फॉर्मेलिन घालप ही चिंतेची गजाल आसा. ह्या संदर्भात मुखेलमंत्र्यान कडक कारवाय करपाची गरज आसा म्हण कुडतरेचो आमदार रेजिनाल्ड उलयला. आरडेक्स्कोआ खातीर पर्वरेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
Government hejer precautionary measures or has taken the right steps.
Government has failed. It is a disgrace that the face the government has put up
on this issue.
Ministers are tweeting, chief ministers are tweeting when the FDA should do the job. Fish is a staple food. Manoj Parrikar is on record. I want to tell him that it was in one interview he had said that nustya lagon apan goya yatma. So I think he should take responsibility. Hing interference munte जावपा जायना. जो कोण आहा तेजेर एक्शन जावपा जाय आणि we are expecting it from Manoj Parrikar. I think he has laid down the ball.